Hey everyone, here's a question from Square and Square Root, and this question is asked by Mamata. The question is, find the least number which must be added to, it's a very huge number here, it's 680600 to make it perfect square. So how to do this one? Whenever you see this type of question where they're asking you to find out a least number or the smallest number to be added, sometimes subtracted. If you see added and subtracted, that means we have to use a long division method, the same method where you used to find out a square root of a number. And if they give you multiplication and division, smallest number to be multiplied or divide, in that case you have to use the division, the prime factorization method. That's it. Okay, so we're going to use a long division method here. So we're going to divide this number. So the number is 680600, right? So the first step is you have to pair the numbers from the right side. So this is one pair, this is one pair, and this is one pair. Now after pairing, you have to choose a divisor. So when you use this method for finding the square roots, you have learned that divisor is not same in each step, it changes. So how to find out the first divisor? We have a 68 here, I have to solve for 68. So I'm going to take a number, a perfect square number which is closest to 68 or equal to 68. So we don't have a number 68, 68 is not perfect square, but I know that 8 square is 64. So I'll take 8, 8s are 64, which is closer to 68. Subtract it, you will get 4. Now drop this second pair, so you have to drop the whole pair here, not a single digit. So I'll get 406. Now how to find out divisor for the second step? So here you have to take a square of whatever quotient, not square, the double of whatever quotient you have here, double or twice. So it will be 8 plus 8, which is equal to 16, or you can do 8 twos are. So it will be 16. It's not yet over. I have to again find a one more digit in the ones place, such that when I multiply with the same digit, I should get a number closer to 406 or equal to 406. Like, let me take here, I'm going to try with 163. So I'm taking 3 in the ones place, right? So I'm going to multiply the 163 with 3 here. So these two numbers should same. The number you have taken in the ones place and you're multiplying, they should be same here. So multiply these two numbers, we'll get 3 3s are 9, and then 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3 plus 4. So we got 489, which is quite larger than 406. So we'll take next number, the previous number, which is 2. So 162, I have taken 2 in the ones place, so I'm going to multiply with 2 here. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 1 will be the carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3, 324. So which is closer to 406. So we'll take 2 here. So 162 and write 2 in the quotient is 324. Subtract these two values, we'll get here 2 and here we'll get 8. So 82. Now drop the next pair, which are 2 zeros. So we got here 8200. Now how to find a divisor for this one? So I said before, whatever quotient you have, here I have a 82. So you have to take a double of 82 or twice of 82. So 82 plus 82 will give us 164. So I'll write 164. Again I have to find a digit in the ones place such that the number is equal to 8200 or less than that. So for that I'll go try with 3s. I'm just doing a trial and error method. You have to cross check in this way. So 164, I'll take 3 in the ones place, so I'm going to multiply with 3 here. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, then 3 6 are 18 plus 1 is 19, and 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4929 is quite smaller than 8200. Let me check with the next number, which is 4. So 1644 times 4. So 4 4s are 16, again 4 4s are 16 plus 1 is 17, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 is 25, then 4 1s are 4 plus 2 is 6. So we got 6576. It's still smaller than, so let me try with 5 this time. So 164 times 5, like 1645 times 5 will be 5 fours are 25, then 5 fours are 20, plus 2 is 22, 5 6 are 30, plus 2 is 32, 5 ones are 5, plus 1, 5 ones are 5, plus 3 is 8. So we have 8225, which is greater than 8200. So we're going to go with 4 here, which is less than that. So 1644 times 4, write 4 in the question, is 6576. Now subtract these two values, we'll get here 4, then 2, and then here we'll get 6. I'm not explaining how to subtract, and 1. So 1624 you will get it. Now we'll stop here and I'm going to explain you what to do next. Now in this question they have asked us to find out what number to be added. Now if they ask you in the same number, if they ask you what number to be subtracted, in that case you have to just subtract this number, this answer, the whatever remainder you got, and that will be your answer, least number to be subtracted. But here they're asking us to what number to be added here. So this number is not a perfect square, so to this number I have to add something more to get an answer which is a perfect square number. So how to do this? Now this, normally when you're doing this problem, this type of problem, or using a long division method, this one, the question what you got is actually your square root, but this is not a square root of this number. Yeah, so if this was a perfect square number, whatever quotient I got, that will be a square root. So this number actually lies between, so this is 824 square. So this number somewhere lies between these two. The square of this number is actually less than this given number, 8680600, right? And this will lie between 8 to 4, that is 824 square, and 825 square, that is next square root. After 824 I'll get 825, yeah, and this number actually lies between these two squares, of course, right? Because this is not a perfect square, and here I'm getting a quotient as 824, which is not a square root of this number, which means this number is greater than the square of this number. So that's why I've written here, but it is less than 825 square. So from here I have to get here, right, something I should add to this number to get a square of this number. So what is square of 825? So square of 825 is it will be 680625. So here to get this number, so you can see to this I have to get this. I hope it's clear. This is a number they have given to us. I have to add something, that is something I'm going to explain you what is that, to get this number. Now this number is a perfect square number, 680625. So what is the difference between these two numbers? 680625 minus 680600 is 25. So which means the smallest number to be added is 25. That's it. So this is how you have to find the answer. I hope this question is clear. In case you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment.